Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is August monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius fire sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Sagittarius fire sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Sagittarius. King of Cups, Four of Cups. So someone is ready to offer their love to you. King of Cups is here. Maybe in past they rejected your offer. Maybe you rejected their offer. Someone is rejected in past. But now they're ready to offer their love to you, Sagittarius. King of Cups energy. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Temperance, Six of Wands and Seven of Wands. So you are totally in your control. You are working on yourself because temperance, patience, restore, balance. So you are totally on your control. And Six of Wands, you are getting success for your hard work, recognition for your hard work especially. And Seven of Wands energy. So you are very passionate about what you are doing. So you are very patient and you are doing hard work consistently towards your goal and you are getting success. And one thing, you are totally on your control. You are taking your power back. That was past. Present, Two of Cups, Three of Swords and Five of Swords. So you think the person involved in this connection is your soulmate. You have so much love for them. For some, it could be a mutual love also, but there are some disturbances or some things happen between you and your person. Three of Swords with Five of Swords energy. So that's why you are heartbroken. You're disturbed a lot because they may be cheated on you, lied to you. There is something happened between you and your person. Because you have so much emotions for this person, you invested a lot in this connection, Sagittarius. Then future, Eight of Wands, the Chariot and Wheel of Fortune. So there is lots of communication is coming towards you, back and forth communication. Someone wants to communicate with you back and forthly. And the Chariot, you decided to move on from this pain. You are trying to heal yourself. Even though it is very difficult for you, at least you are trying to move forward. And Wheel of Fortune, things are turning out into your favor in the month of August. So definitely there are things are turning out into your favor. Maybe you're not seeing, but things are definitely turning out into your favor. And someone is ready to offer this cup of love to you. For some, this could be past person. For some, it could be a new person, depending upon your situation. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Fire sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And it's your reading and it's your first card, Temperance, Sagittarius card. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Yeah, King of Pentacles. They're ready to take this relationship to next level. They're thinking. So let's see their feelings towards you, Sagittarius. Your person feelings towards you. Okay, wow, the Lovers. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini or Cancer or Sagittarius especially. Wow, Six of Cups. Magician. Yeah, they're trying to manifest you back again in their life because for some they are in separation, for some in no contact. For some, if you are in relationship, this is on and off connection. So There is love. Your person loves you because the Gemini, the Lovers card is here, and Six of Cups. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and they're thinking about you a lot, and they want reconciliation. They want to marry you if you are in relationship, and the Magician is here, so they want to manifest you back. Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to take this relationship to next level, Sagittarius. So let's see their actions. Sagittarius, your person actions, near future actions towards you. I want, clarification for Eight of Cups with Two of Cups. So Two of Wands energy. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. This could be long distance. And Eight of Cups with the clarification called Two of Cups. Yeah, there is mutual love between both of you. You both could be soulmates. Even though you both are in separation, you both are connected spiritually. There is a strong spiritual bond between both of you. And Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, your person, they want to share their life with you, because Queen of Pentacles is sharing, giving and caring person. So if they walked away from you, now they're feeling regret. Now they're thinking about how to communicate with you, how to come back. Because Two of Wands, they're thinking about you a lot. And under the deck, Nine of Cups, they're wishing for this connection. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is a strong spiritual bond between you and your person, Sagittarius, and they're thinking about you a lot. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah. Commitment. They're spying on you on social media. There is a lot of spying is going. And Hierophant, they're thinking about to offer commitment and to take this relationship to next level. And Seven of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. They also invested in this connection and they really want to take this relationship to next level. Maybe they are planning. Yeah, the Fool, you also want brand new beginnings with your person. Maybe some of you are going with the flow, living in the present moment. You are enjoying your freedom and you are no more dependent on them anymore. You are okay with or without that person because you achieved strength, you achieved balance. You stand by your power now, Sagittarius. And yeah, Star. So things are turning out into your favor. I already told you. I seeing new beginnings between both of you. Commitment is coming. Yeah, they will take action very soon. Yeah, right now maybe you both are in no contract situation. Four of Swords. You both could be healing. You both thinking about each other a lot. And this is a strong spiritual bond. Again, High Priestess. You both are manifesting each other. Yeah, there is missed opportunity with each other. And you both are thinking about each other. And this is a spiritual bond. So Sagittarius, let's see your overall energy for the month of August. But in near future, there will be back and forth communication between both of you guys. Yeah, right now maybe you're undergoing some tower moment due to the separation or whatever happened between you and your person. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. You more concentrating on your career, getting financial stability, and someone is ready to come back and to offer this love to you. So let's see your person overall energy for the month of August, Sagittarius. King of Wands. Your person is very passionate about what they are doing. And Five of Swords, yeah, there are some disturbances between both of you. Two of Swords at crossroads and Four of Swords. Right now your person healing already because Four of Swords energy is here. But they're thinking about you a lot. So let's see some messages. Sagittarius. For sure, right now you both are in no contact situation. Yeah, I want you back. Options. Maybe your person have options. Communication is coming. I want to be with you forever. Free yourself. So if you want to move forward in your life, free yourself from all things and options, and they want you back and they want to be with you forever, and communication is coming. For some family issues also involved in this connection. But one thing is clear, that they are thinking about you a lot and they want reconciliation with you. You are on their mind 24/7. There is a lot of stalking is going. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Sagittarius. The end of your tough cycle approaches. Wow, August. So the end of your tough cycle approaches, especially when full moon in Capricorn. Yeah, the tough cycle is going to be end. Don't worry. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.